Welcome back to this training. In this tutorial, we're gonna have a look of this sliding joint driver here. Initially, we have to input equations for this sliding joint driver, and we have to go to the equation manager, scroll down, add equation, double click on this item, on this part, select this dimension, and this has to be equal to the length times parentheses 16/125. Enter. Add equation. This has to be equal to the width times parentheses 27.5/50. Enter. Add one more equation, the height, global variables height times parentheses 10/60. Enter. Right. Now, the only thing that remains on this part is the holes. In order to give equation to the holes, we need to do it through their features. What I mean by that, I have to go to the feature, wizard, hole wizard, expand it, go to the 3D sketch, add equation, select this value, global variables, select width, times parentheses 16/50. Enter. Now, let's go to the 2D sketch.